and gensets or generators are where our current traction is. And in the coming weeks, we will be launching an active program aimed at independent truckers who don't mind adding or taking the time to add DF5 to their fuel manually. Remember, you just dump it in. In the meantime, our engineering team is working on the final patents for what's called a titration system. That automatically doses DF5 and adds it during the refueling. So as you're adding your diesel or gas, it's automatically adding DF5 to the system. That can really help us with these larger, what are called established fleets, getting their drivers with strict deadlines to pay attention to the detail of how much to put in of DF5, measuring it. Those things can kind of get in the way. So this new titration system will help us to better accomplish our mission, and that is to clean the air we breathe. Here's an example of an above-ground titration system.
These are 3 different chambers. Some trucks have 5 chambers, or 6, they said, depending on which truck arrives, but we're on chamber 3. It goes over here, and each chamber has a pump, as you can see right there in blue. That then goes up through these filters. As you can see, the pump loop around in those hoses. These filters clean the gas, and then they come out there. There's the same 3 chambers that are coming from the over there. After it's filtered, it goes down at 57 gallons a minute. 57 gallons a minute. And in that process, DF5 is in this tank. These are all locked, so you can't get in. That's the sight glass right there. You can see it going in. It started a few days ago at the top. And it's automatically injected via right here. This pump was put in, and as this 57 gallons goes through here to feed this large 1,000-gallon tank that feeds all the pumps, DF5 is injected right here. This is an injector pump. You dial it in right here, and we're injecting 1 ounce of product about every 27 seconds, which equates to 1 ounce per 25 gallons. So it's going and mixing it in right there. So this whole tank, which is about 1,000-gallon tank, gravity feeds all of the pump. So all these lines and everything in here is treated with DF5.
Oh, so what has made GTL such a true global contender?